Good morning, happy New Year's Eve. This is the Tuesday morning storm update for the storm that's going to affect the region later on Thursday into Friday morning. Some things did change last night in the models. To my surprise, actually, the snow map's going to end up being pretty good, but I was looking for a little bit more progressive of a storm, and it just isn't going to happen exactly the way I thought. It's going to happen. There's going to be a storm. Some places are going to receive significant accumulations, upwards of a foot, maybe more in some spots, because this is going to be a very, very cold storm with very high ratio snows, and a storm is coming. But we're not going to see the 2 foot amounts that I thought might have been possible yesterday, and I actually had a lot of confidence in. But and I don't know everything, and the weather does what it wants to do. So here's what's going to happen now. Here's a storm now. This is the latest model run. See, a storm dives down central part of the United States, tries to merge that southern stream. It actually does. And then here it is on Friday, 1 o'clock in the morning, height of the storm. It's just off the coast, about 100 miles off the coast. And it has moderate to heavy snows breaking out all in these regions here. Now, what you guys have to realize is, although this doesn't look that intense, all these ratio snows here are 15, basically it's 15, 20, 30 to 1 ratio. So it doesn't take much liquid to produce a significant snowfall because the storm is going to be so cold. I think that's very important. This isn't just like a normal event where, okay, this looks like a 3-4 inch storm. No, it's going to be a general area of probably 10 to 15 inches up in here around New England. And in our area, northwestern Jersey, central Jersey, you're going to see probably 5 to 10. So it's a very moderate to close to significant storm for us, and it's a decently significant storm for New England. Up in Vermont, same thing, about 5 to 10 inches of snow. So here comes the storm. As you can see, like I just showed, it pulls off, and it's out of here pretty much before midday Friday. So I guess the timing on this is going to basically be, I'd say, late afternoon Thursday, Friday morning. It's gone. Then from there, basically what happened was, what I want to show you is this shortwave is digging like I've been talking about, but the tilt of this is positive. It's not negative. So when it's positive, it does encourage a storm to develop deep, but it deepens more off the coast, which happens sometimes, and it still could change. I mean, we're 48 hours away. It still could become more progressive, but right now it's more about just a high ratio snow event, giving people moderate accumulations to significant accumulations, just not that wind-driven, blizzard-conditioned snow that looked like it was pretty likely yesterday. Real quick, after this storm comes through, again, the biggest news item is going to be the cold weather. So this storm comes through, and look at all this cold coming into the country. You can't really tell by this map, but this is below zero cold, all going through the central United States. Our lows are probably going to go below zero Friday night, early Friday morning, even maybe this weekend. And then next week we have to keep an eye on another storm that wants to develop. This could be significant as well, coming up the eastern seaboard early Monday into the Tuesday time frame. So I put a snow map out. Here it is. This is what I had yesterday as my first guess. Okay, I set up to a foot, up to 6, rain, snow. Here's the finalized map. I'll just stick with this now, coming up right here. Okay, you can see I have 3 to 7 down here, maybe some mixing on the coast in the beginning, probably not though. 4 to 8, Philadelphia, just New York City on that line. 5 to 10, most of North Jersey, most of Connecticut. 10 to 15, a heavier snow band should be up here. 15 localized, maybe 18-inch amount, and up here 10 to 15. So again, moderate to significant storm coming. I tried to stay on top of this over the last week. I think I did a pretty decent job. It's just not going to be the wind-driven, blizzard-conditioned snow that I originally thought it could be, and really was confident in yesterday. Models just are not agreeing 100% with that idea, but the snow amounts are still there, so I guess it doesn't look too bad. But keep checking in. I'll update later tonight when the afternoon runs come in.